2026, the luxury motorhome market has reached new heights, combining cutting-edge engineering with unparalleled comfort and iconic automotive heritage. This year's top 3 models are unlike anything seen before, each redefining what it means to travel in style. Taking the number 1 spot is the extraordinary Ferrari Motorhome, a bold leap from the world's most celebrated supercar maker into the realm of luxury travel. At number 2 sits the stunning Bugatti Motorhome, a masterclass in speed-inspired opulence. And in third place, the Ford Mustang Motorhome brings the spirit of an American legend to the open road, proving that power and comfort can coexist beautifully. Asterisk, the Ferrari Motorhome is a statement on wheels, blending the performance DNA of Maranello with the practicality of a fully equipped luxury home. At first glance, its exterior screams speed, with sculpted aerodynamic lines inspired by the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, finished in a deep Rosso Quassa paint that seems to glow under sunlight. Carbon fiber accents run along the body, and the signature prancing horse emblem is proudly displayed on a front grille that is unmistakably Ferrari. Built on a custom chassis, the motorhome features adaptive air suspension, allowing for precision handling despite its size. The engineering team integrated a hybrid V8 system delivering an impressive 1,100 horsepower, making it one of the fastest motorhomes ever built, capable of reaching highway speeds effortlessly and with stability that feels more like a grand tourer than a large RV. Asterisk inside, the Ferrari Motorhome is an Italian-designed masterpiece. The cabin is dressed in hand-stitched leather in a choice of tan, black, or red, with Alcantara inserts and brushed aluminum trim. The driver's cockpit borrows heavily from Ferrari sports cars, with a digital instrument cluster, F1-inspired steering wheel with integrated drive mode selectors, and paddle shifters for a truly unique driving experience. The living quarters exude the feel of a luxury apartment in Milan, with a full gourmet kitchen featuring carbon fiber countertops, an induction cooktop, and a temperature-controlled wine cabinet. The lounge area has electrically adjustable seating that transforms into a home theater setup with a retractable 70-inch OLED display and immersive 3D audio. The bedroom is positioned at the rear, featuring a king-sized bed with memory foam, ambient lighting, and panoramic roof glass for stargazing. Even the bathroom reflects Ferrari's obsessive attention to detail, with Italian marble surfaces, and a rainfall shower that wouldn't be out of place in a 5-star hotel. Limited to only 20 units worldwide, each Ferrari motorhome is a collector's dream and a travel enthusiast's fantasy. Asterisks, the second marvel in the lineup is the Bugatti Motorhome, a fusion of French elegance and world record-breaking performance heritage. Its exterior design mirrors the flowing curves of the Bugatti Chiron, with a sweeping two-tone color scheme and the signature horseshoe grille dominating the front. The lightweight body panels are crafted from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, ensuring both strength and efficiency. Under the hood lies a re-engineered version of Bugatti's famous quad-turbo W16 engine, tuned for touring, while top speed is electronically limited to preserve comfort and stability. Acceleration remains astonishing, delivering effortless overtakes and serene cruising at high speeds. Asterisk, the interior of the Bugatti Motorhome is a lesson in French luxury. Leather sourced from the same tanneries used in Bugatti's hypercars covers nearly every surface, complemented by polished wood inlays and precision-machined aluminum accents. The main lounge area features modular seating that can be reconfigured for entertaining guests or relaxing in solitude. The kitchen is minimal yet elegant, with hidden appliances that emerge at the touch of a button, ensuring a clutter-free environment. The sleeping area is positioned mid-cabin for better weight distribution, and it offers a floating bed design with concealed storage and integrated climate control. Unique to the Bugatti Motorhome is a grand touring mode, in which the suspension, lighting, and climate systems adjust automatically for optimal comfort on long journeys. The bathroom showcases a freestanding soaking tub, a rarity in motorhomes. From a lightweight composite material paired with gold-finished fixtures, this is a vehicle designed not just for travel, but for creating an atmosphere of uninterrupted indulgence. Asterisk, the third standout is the Ford Mustang Motorhome, a bold and unexpected addition that channels the raw spirit of America's most iconic muscle car into a long-haul luxury machine. The exterior carries unmistakable Mustang DNA with an aggressive front fascia, tri-bar LED headlights, and a fastback-inspired roofline that gives it a more dynamic silhouette than traditional. RVS, a performance-tuned V8 engine, delivers a rumbling soundtrack and a satisfying surge of torque, while the suspension has been engineered for a balance between handling prowess and cross-country comfort. Ford's designers opted for a slightly more compact footprint compared to the Ferrari and Bugatti models, making the Mustang Motorhome more practical for diverse driving environments. From coastal highways to winding mountain roads. Asterisk, inside, the Mustang Motorhome embraces a modern American style. The dashboard and driver's area are reminiscent of the latest Shelby models, with bold gauges, metallic accents, and a sports steering wheel. The living space features a mix of leather and suede finishes, with seating that echoes the comfort and bolstering of Mustang Recaro seats. The kitchen blends practicality with style, offering stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a retro-inspired refrigerator that nods to Mustang's 1960s heritage. The entertainment system includes a wall-mounted 65-inch display and a premium surround sound setup tuned for rich bass and crisp highs, perfect for playing classic rock on the road. The bedroom features a queen-sized bed with Mustang's stitched headboard, and the bathroom provides a sleek, modern shower with matte black fixtures and LED lighting. The Mustang Motorhome stands out for its perfect mix of performance-inspired driving and home-like comfort, all while staying true to the car's legendary identity. Together, these three motorhomes represent the pinnacle of automotive-inspired travel in 2026. The Ferrari Motorhome dominates with its unmatched performance, avant-garde design, and exclusivity that ensures only a select few will ever own one. The Bugatti Motorhome offers a more refined approach, marrying high-speed capability with serene, opulent interiors that turn every journey into a high-class escape. The Ford Mustang Motorhome bridges the gap between luxury and accessibility, appealing to those who want power, style, and comfort without losing touch with the open-road freedom that defines American motoring. Each of these vehicles is more than just transportation, they are moving works of art, designed for those who demand the best from every moment of their travels. Whether racing down the Autobahn in the Ferrari, cruising through the French countryside in the Bugatti, or thundering along Route 66 in the Mustang, the experience is one of total immersion in both automotive passion and luxury living. The year 2026 has proven that the future of motorhomes isn't just about going places, it's about how extraordinary the journey can be.